Yeah, there you go. Yeah, you're a little strong. Yeah, the ball position looks good. Club face looks great. Open. That's okay. Alright, just got to get some sand. Club face looks definitely a lot better by staying open. Okay, we just got to, don't be afraid to hit the sand so the ball will pop up. Go ahead and lean a little bit left with your shoulders. There you go. Now you can hit sand, right? Does that feel like you can? Okay. That's alright. Not bad. Club face turned a little. Feel it? Okay, so go ahead and set it up where some good sand is, and go ahead and take a practice swing where you actually splash, because I want you to be confident when you approach it.